So let's talk about priorities. In classical Pilates, you always want to start proximal and then go distal. So what does that mean? Well, it means that you've started your abdominals and then move outward from there. So let's say you have a person. So you want to start at the abdominals and then move out to the legs, feet, arms, hands, all of that. So if you take any Pilates exercise, make sure that the abdominals are staying scooped in and up. So make sure that they have that Pilates abdominal scoop, that navel drawing in towards your spine, up towards your head, powerhouse, Heimlich feeling, whatever you want to call it. That's the priority. Don't worry about feet, hands, arms, legs, unless the belly is staying scooped in. Truly, the biggest priority in any classical Pilates exercise is the abdominals staying scooped in and up, that hollow belly, that Heimlich feeling. That's the priority. Don't worry about feet, don't worry about hands until the abdominals are staying scooped in and up. I've seen too many classes where teachers are focused with hands and feet when the abdominals are popping out. You can worry about hands and feet, but not until your abdominals are staying scooped in and up. Because if you lose that abdominal scoop, then it's not Pilates. So proximal to distal. So in every single Pilates exercise, always start at the abdominals, then move outward from there. Belly first, then everything else.